5 seconds. Start. Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Panchayati Raj Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh alias Lalan Singh will launch Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana and release of standard operating procedure on production and processing cluster in fisheries sector at the 4th anniversary of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana tomorrow at Sushma Swaraj Bhavan, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Union Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Panchayati Raj Professor S.P. Singh Baghel and Union Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Minority Affairs Shri George Kurian will also be present in the occasion. Representatives from the Fisheries Department of State UTs, officials of Department of Fisheries, National Fisheries Development Board, ICAR institutes and other relevant departments, ministries, PMMSY beneficiaries, fishermen, fish farmers, entrepreneurs and key stakeholders involved in fisheries sector from across the nation are expected to participate in the event. The event will be organized in hybrid mode and as such participants from across the nation are expected to participate in the event both physically and virtually. Union Minister Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh will announce various projects approved under PMMSY pertaining to production and productivity enhancement, post-harvest infrastructure and other value chain augmentation interventions. The major activity to be highlighted during the celebration of 4th anniversary of PMMSY event shall be the national priority project taken up under PMMSY during financial year 2024-25, release of booklets, notification of Center of Excellence and Nucleus Breeding Center, notification of coastal fishermen villages for development as climate resilient coastal fishermen villages and fisheries clusters and launching of digital portal etc. The Government of India has spearheaded the transformation of the fisheries sector through the Blue Revolution with formulation and implementing of schemes for investing rupees 38,572 crore since 2014. Key initiatives include the Blue Revolution Integrated Development and Management of Fisheries implemented from 2015-16 to 2019-20 with an investment of rupees 5,000 crore. The Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund FIDF with a fund size of rupees 7,522.48 crore implemented since 2018-19. The Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY implemented for a period of 5 years 2020-21 to 2024-25 with an investment of rupees 20,050 crore and Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana PMMSY, a sub-scheme under PMMSY implemented with effect from the current year 2024-25 with an investment plan of rupees 6,000 crore. These programs focus on enhancing production productivity, improving quality, boosting export, reducing post-harvest losses, and fostering innovation and innovative technology infusion. Entrepreneurship development create livelihood and employment opportunity to fisheries, fish farmers, and other stakeholders, and welfare of fisheries, fish farmers, fish workers, fish vendors, and other directly associated fisheries value chain. The Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India mark the fourth successful year of implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY. The Department of Fisheries (GOI) accordingly organizing an event to commemorate the occasion of accomplishing 4 successful years of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY. The Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY has emerged as a game changer, steering India's fisheries sector toward unprecedented growth and substantial launching in May 2020. This visionary scheme under the aegis of Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India aimed to address critical gap in fish production and productivity, equality, technology, post-harvest infrastructure and management, modernization and strengthening of value chain traceability, establishing a robust fisheries management framework and fisheries welfare. Over the years, PMMSY has evolved into a comprehensive blueprint of the holistic development of the fisheries and aquaculture sector in the country. PMMSY marked the highest ever investment at rupees 2050 crore in the fisheries sector and embarking on a strategic journey. The initiative delves into the domain of inland fisheries and aquaculture, recognizing their pivotal role in bolstering production and ensuring robust food security. The former and initiative taken up under PMMSY have been inculcated in core and trunk infrastructure development, modernization of Indian fisheries and aquaculture sector, especially for development of new fishing harbors, land centers, modernization and mechanization of traditional fishermen crafts, trawlers, deep sea going vessels, facilities for supply for quality feed and seed for boosting the aquaculture in the country, provision of post-harvest facility to reduce post-harvest loss, cold chains facility, value addition, clean and hygiene, fish market, many more. Fish are provided livelihood support during the fishing ban, lean period, insurance coverage, financial assistance and facility of Kisan credit card as well. PMMSY has set a way forward to enhance its utilization by invigorating rural economy. This is an auspicious event promising to be a landmark occasion, bringing fishers, fish farmers, entrepreneurs and stakeholders, government officials and enthusiastic participants together from the vibrant fisheries and aquaculture sector. The event intended to showcase the achievement of the PMMSY and various other schemes implemented by the Department of Fisheries, Government of India, full stop.